According to a source familiar with the matter, the Duke's visa application is currently under review, and the request to obtain the Duke's visa records, especially his revealed drug use history, could affect the family's future in the United States. The Heritage Foundation has sued the Department of Homeland Security. Hello, viewers. Welcome to Royal Revelations. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notifications bell so you will get any news about the British royal family. The request has been denied by the Department of Homeland Security, citing privacy restrictions similar to those for medical records. The Express newspaper said everyone, including the Duke, is waiting to see whether Judge Carl Nicholls will make public the details of the case, which is being considered in private by the court. Royal expert Richard Fitz Williams spoke to his son about the outcome, noting that Prince Harry could be embarrassed. It would be very embarrassing, or at least it could be according to Fitz Williams. The Duke could have disclosed his drug use in the application. He added that if he did not, the news would undoubtedly spread, but that would be bad news for the Sussexes. The visa that the Duke currently has is still valid, but there could be problems with the extension, and there are rumors of deportation. If that were to happen, the Duke would have little choice but to leave his life in Montgomery, his marriage to the Duchess, his £12 million mansion next to an apple orchard, and his young children Prince Archie and Princess Lilibet, both aged 5 and 2. Concerned about double standards according to Fitz Williams, the Duke, who has been a vocal critic of the royal family, could be blamed if something goes wrong, whether it be preferential treatment or fraud during his time in the U.S. government approval process. The Heritage Foundation, as he pointed out, believes this is an important issue. If you attack an institution, the supporters of that institution, or people who believe you were very stupid and very foolish, believe there is a double standard that the Duke. According to The Sun, the Heritage Foundation and others filed a lawsuit against the U.S. Department of Homeland Security in Washington, D.C. on February 24th, and the U.S.-based Immigration Office reportedly filed a lawsuit to block the disclosure of his visa application details, and the lawsuit is still ongoing. Speaking exclusively to the Daily Express U.S., lawyer G. Gorge said the judge will likely weigh the reasons and interests cited by the Heritage Foundation for releasing the information against Duke's right to privacy and the interest of DHS in keeping his personal information. And their affairs are confidential. If the judge grants the request, it could lead to many similar requests for lesser-known people in the future. She noted that the judge may not want to set such a precedent.